Hey everyone, I am just jumping on here for a really quick sneak peek. I promised you that every day for the next 5 days, I'm going to be bringing you a sneak peek of new products. So once again, I've been stamping all day yesterday, all day today. I have some fun things to show you. It's going to be, like I said, very quick. I have our Holiday Connect bingo is tonight at 8 o'clock. So I have exactly 15 minutes to get this finished. So I just didn't want to make it too late in the evening, and I didn't want to wait till after that. So I'm going to flip over here to my other screen, and I am going to introduce to you a suite of products from the new catalog that's on page. Okay, I can't show you the catalog yet. It's just a legal issue. It's not like I'm trying to keep secrets from you. It starts on page 24. It's called the Dandy Garden Suite. And I can show you everything. I just can't show you the catalog. So isn't that silly? But anyways, so I'm going to start with the stamp sets. And there's two stamp sets in this set actually. And this is one of them. It's called Garden Wishes. And really cool set. The dies are even cooler. And they're a mess in here, so I apologize. But really cute little, yeah, I'll show you to you on the card here. This is one of my cards for class this month, and I just finished it. It's not quite finished yet. It gets a dragonfly on it yet, but I'm waiting for my window sheets to get here. So yeah, cute set. The next stamp set that's in the bundle, in the suite, is the Dragonfly Garden stamp set. And you may have seen this already. This is a stamp set we were able to pre-purchase when we have our on-stage event. And that coordinates with this punch to punch out the dragonflies. Okay, been having a lot of fun with that. Some of the other items in the suite are, my hands are full, so little ladybug trinkets that are just too cute. And again, it'd be easier to show you on the card here. You'll see the little ladybug there that I glue dotted on to the card. Okay, and you know what? I forgot to check. Oh, okay. Forgot to check my audio. I think we're okay. All right, and then what else? Oh, there's some linen trim that is Mossy Meadow, and I actually used it on this card. But I didn't want it in the width of the trim, so I just pulled the layers all apart, and I made this really thin thing here that I could tie several strands together on the card. So that's pretty cool. I have some samples to show you. Okay, I am missing, I don't know if I forgot to order it, but there is a Memories and More card kit and envelopes in this suite as well. And then this paper, this is the Dandy Garden paper, and I may have been able to show you this before. I'm just going to flip through it there really quick so that you can see. Some of the prints are really gaudy, but there's at least one side on each piece, of course, that I love and will use and have used. So really pretty combination of colors there. Okay, so this is the Buried Treasure that I think that I want to show you. It's called Dandy Laser Cut Paper, and it's not our typical 12 by 12. It's like 8.5 by 11, and it has two sheets in here. And so let me just pull one over so that you can see it. All right, so those are just little card die cuts that you can put on your card as card fronts, and I'm going to show you. I did some of those today. And then this is another one where you have maybe a card front, maybe some labels, some cute little dragonfly cutouts. Okay, so that is, make sure you look for that. It is going to be hidden. It's not going to be something that you're going to really be able to notice. So I wanted to make sure I pointed that out. And I have been using my set. For some reason, I don't seem to have that second layer that I showed you. And I know I didn't use it already because I don't have anything with that on, so I'm not sure where that got to. But this is what's left from my other sheet that I didn't get used yet. So let me show you some cards And then I want to show you what I did with this piece. All right, so let me see if I can find just those cards real quick. All right, so here's one that I did. I took the white dragonfly and I actually laid it on top of this white piece and sponged this in crumb cake because I wanted to change the color of it, which is what is nice about it. It's in white, so you can sponge it and change your color. And then I'm able to use this piece on something else. I just didn't get that used yet, but this is a card that I created with that. And that's using some of the paper from the Dandy Garden paper. Here's another one. Just really simple and pretty. And then this is the third one, and I went out of the garden suite because I wanted to show how you can use it with other things. And this is our sweet strawberry set and punch, and love every minute we're working with that. So that's just popped in there for good measure. All right, so some other cards that Linda and I came up with today or copied. I tend to go on and see if there's anything out there that people are doing, and these two are some that we found, two that we liked. And then this one is one I showed yesterday, and it goes with the sweet, so I'll just show you really quick in case you didn't see that video. I used the new sponging brushes on there to color that. This is one I got in a swap, and here you can see the die cutting, the little layers of flowers there that are in that what's it called, Garden Wishes set. Okay, and then this was another swap that I got that I just I want to stick a dragonfly on there yet, but anyways, so that is it for that suite. That is your sneak peek for today. I hope that that you're ending your new year with health, and you're able to look back and hopefully appreciate some things that have happened to you, and maybe we'll be making some changes as well for the next year, things that we didn't like how they turned out, and maybe we'd like to make some changes. So hopefully you're thinking about that as well. All right, thanks for joining me. Check back tomorrow for another sneak peek. Thanks. Bye-bye.